Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can download and install the Kik Messenger app and create an account for your Kik Messenger app. Kik Messenger, commonly called Kik, is a free instant messaging application for your mobile device. So you want to download and install the Kik application and create an account for that, but you can't figure out how you can do it. I've brought some simple steps for you. Just follow the steps and you will create a Kik account in no time. Now, the first thing you want to do to download and install the Kik application before you create an account is open your Playstore. Now, in the search bar, search Kik. Once you do that, you land on an interface like this. Here, what you want to do is tap on the install button. Now, wait for the download and installation process to complete. The waiting time solely depends on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, tap on the open button to launch your Kik app. Once you open the Kik application, you land on an interface like this. Here you'll see two options, one to sign up and one to log in. So to create a new Kik account, what you want to do is tap on the sign up option. Once you tap on the sign up option, you land on an e-form like this. Now enter your details to create your Kik account. So the details that you need to enter are your name, then you need to create a username for your Kik account, then you need to enter an email that you have access to, then create a password for your Kik account, then enter your date of birth and enter your phone number. Once you enter all your details, check this box to agree the terms and conditions of Kik. Here you'll have an option to add a profile picture as well. So if you want to add a profile picture, tap on the set photo option besides your name. Once you add the photo, what you want to do is tap on the sign up button. Once you tap on the sign up button, Kik will ask you to sync your contact with the Kik application to find your friends and families who use Kik and connect you with them. Once you sync the contact and find your friends, you'll successfully create a Kik account for yourself. Now you can enjoy using Kik account to message your friends and families. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.